Channel and menu button. Press channel button to turn the channel on or off and open the channel menu for that channel. Horizontal menu. You can use the horizontal control to change the horizontal scale and position of waveform. Vertical menu. The vertical control could be used for displaying waveform, specify scale, and position. Trigger menu. The trigger determines when the oscilloscope starts to acquire data and display a waveform. Probe and connectors. Calibration step by using power generator. Plug in the probe cable to CH1 connector. Don't forget to setting your probe. Set up the power generator and the oscilloscope. Push the menu button to set up the setting of oscilloscope, including coupling, volt-turn per division, probe, and so on. Connect power generator and the oscilloscope. Use probe from the oscilloscope and connector from power generator to connect them. We can also adjust on the horizontal or vertical menu to change the scale or waveform. Make sure that the volt-turn gain from power generator are tally with volt-turn on your oscilloscope. And your oscilloscope is ready to use.